Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this ultimate speed with 4 different measurement units: PSI, bar, kPa, kilogram force per square centimeter, with 5 practical functions: digital air pressure gauge, LED light, emergency hammer, seat belt cutter, and tire tread depth gauge. It is suitable for cars, off-road vehicles, motorcycles or bicycles with shredder valves. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. The manual, of course, if you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. I like this black mat with a red grip. At the back it is the battery compartment, 3 1.5 batteries LR44, just pull that and enable. The backlight LCD display, and with a button you can choose PSI, bar, kPa, kilogram force per square centimeter, or if you want you can just press and hold and switch it off. Press once, it turns on. At the front it is the gauge nozzle, press against the tire valve to obtain a reading, the LED light, the emergency glass hammer with a cover, it is very pointed, and of course here we have and the belt cutter inside here. And just pull this switch. It is the tread depth gauge and you can measure your tires. The blue zone, it is from 4 to 19 millimeters. That means your tires, it is good. The yellow zone, it is from 2 to 4 millimeter. Plan to replace soon your tires. And the red zone, seek replacement, advise immediately. You need to replace your tires. Okay. I like it. It is small, it fits to my palm, and it looks nice. So let's test it. Start my test. Breaking a glass with this hammer. Okay, glass at the table. Not car glass, but ordinary glass. Let's try it. Definitely it's doing an amazing job. On an emergency situation, it can break the car glass and move away from your car. Now let's try and cut this belt. Don't expect me to cut my car belt. I don't have any spare parts. Okay, nice. Definitely on emergency situation you can use it and cut your belt. I don't wish to anyone that, but you never know. Accidents happened. Now let's test my tires. Are 1 year old and are in very good condition. And now the tire pressure. LED light helps to see better. Starting with the PSI. Next the bar. Next the kPa. And the last the kilogram force per square centimeter. I think it is very reliable and you can check your tires whenever and wherever you want. And you can see in the last measurements. And it costs only 10 euros. It is small, portable, you can have it anywhere at your car, and at the right time, whenever and wherever you want, you can check the tire pressure with the LED indicator at the front, check if your tires need replacement, and on emergency situation, you can use the hammer and break the front, back, rear glass, or you can cut the belt and free yourself and move away from your car. You never know when accidents can happen, and this only 10 euros multi-tool, it can save your life. If you need that kind of tool, for me, just buy it, have it at your car and use it at the right moment. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.